Hey, good morning. This is Tyler Franklin with Axis Seed. It's September 15th. I'm in a cornfield in King and Queen County, Virginia. I want to highlight a couple things. This is a farm where the farmer did a split planter trial with a competitor product in one side of the planter and our Axis 63H27 in the other half of the planter. So as he drove back and forth across the field, it created a replicated trial across a large given amount of acres. So it's 12 rows one product, 12 rows the other, and we use the yield monitor to show and highlight the differences between the two products. Two very visible differences that I found when I got out here this morning and started looking, I want to point out to you. One is ear height. We're always battling gravity when it comes to yield. The higher your ear placement, the higher your center of gravity, the more tendency that plant is going to be to lodge. And you can look right here and see that the ear height on the product to the left is a solid 8 to 10 inches higher than 63H here on the left. If I back up a little bit, you can probably see it a little bit better. You know, 8 inches might not seem like a whole lot, but when you're getting 50, 60, 70 mile an hour winds, it is a big difference. The tops of the plants, it's a little bit taller, so you definitely got more wind resistance in the hybrid over here on the right compared to the one on the left. Let's just say yield ends up being equal. I'm more comfortable planting something like this on the East Coast that is going to stand up a whole lot better with the storms and the tropical systems we get in the fall. The other big difference is the planter was split in half. The population, planting date, everything was exactly the same. Same field, same soils, everything both hybrids saw the exact same thing. We talk about seed quality. A lot of farmers think everybody is trying to pitch them on the same idea. We all have great seed quality. Well, that's not necessarily true. With Axis, we've got some of the most stringent and strict seed quality standards in the industry, and this is going to highlight just that. So the farmer planted the exact same population for both these hybrids, but it's about 12% more plants and ears per acre with 63H27 than it is this hybrid. You get out here and look, and these ears on this competitor line look bigger. Well, it's because it's only averaging about 26,500 plants per acre, whereas we're averaging 30,000 ears per acre. And so you get out here and you look and you're like, well, it's not a real big difference, but you start talking about 4,000 more of these per acre, there's going to be a significant yield advantage, and that all boils down to seed quality. So two big noticeable differences here. Plant height, ear height really favors 63H27, and then seed quality, we've got way more ears per acre. So this will not be a close comparison at all. If I can help in any way, let me know. Tyler Franklin, 804-445-4333. Check us out at tidewaterseed.com.